gentlemen in the mix.
Hello, traders. Welcome to the stream, the normal stream time, where we witnessed Jerome Powell today compare Bitcoin as a competitor to gold, and that is what has kicked off the rally, off just the pretty anemic price action we've been receiving for going on 2 weeks now. But nice 4-hour engulfing candle. You just confirmed the 4-hour engulfing candle with follow-through, a follow-through candle close. That, unfortunately, was really hoping we could have closed above $99,024.23. That's the current all-time high. But we didn't do it. But, you know, here's the weekly. We were just staring into the face of the 1.618, the major one, right? $102,067. We have not seen that yet. One. Yeah, so, I mean, still waiting on 100K. Never seen it on spot price in the Coinbase exchange. Never seen the 1618. Fibonacci from the previous cycle all-time high, 69K to that 15.5 low. You think that's just, they'll want to test it, even if we reverse. But nah, they're just putting sell orders up, man, at the 99K point. And I'll show you, it was not the highest daily candle close ever. It was the, what was it? Officially, it was the second highest daily candle close we've ever seen. All right. And if you want to see, I think it's starting to look really pretty now. Just looking at the 8-hour chart, you can see this nice, just upsloping channel. See the anchor points at the bottom. We got 3 now. You got 1 on the top. Some pretty decent heartline respect. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So if they break that, sure, 100K, but $105,000 to $106,000 would be at the top here. So that's just all we have, man. We're in la land. Try to make sense of this better, like really since mid-November. All right, after the move up stop, it's continuing. It's just chopping upward, and you got to be really interested here, very intrigued. All right, because I spy with my little eye a bullish wave structure. Remember when we identified that was very similar right here, XAB, deep retrace on B, higher low on C. It took us to the highest level. It took us to a very close to an all-time high before pulling back, making the highest low. Then we went to all-time highs, but very similar price action. Why? Here you go. XAB. Oh boy, chat. This is serious. This is an 886. So this is deep crab, not butterfly. So there's no controversy on where the D point would be. Higher low on C, 1618 on D only. And that would put us at 105,000 and change. So here we are in deep crab. So we would color code this with a bright red, because what happens to crabs when they get deep fried? They turn really, really red. All right, so we got a chance here for some history, some really nice stuff. Forget Bitcoin, man. It's been about the altcoins even today. Come on, right? Anyone know of any altcoins that did anything today, man? I think we've heard of a few, you know. It would be beautiful, right? It would be like TA Tetris, confined within this channel. We head towards the top. You know, if it happened soon, it'd be like this. Oh my God, if in a shorter period of time, we just run. Yeah, many different S coins. Oh my God, it's so hot in here, dude. I have company and they are cold. Yeah, Bitcoin gets closer to 100K. We might have a cameo or fun little, you know, enjoy life type of thing. But yeah, we'll see. All right. Yeah, hot to a coin rug pulled. All the idiots that bought it today, I heard through the grapevine. So I think we're onto something here. It looks beautiful, and you cannot be surprised. And all that's left is this heart line here. They break that heart line. I think some really good things are going to happen. I hope it happens sooner rather than later. History on stream tonight would be amazing, but I expect nothing ever. As a trader, we do not expect. But man, we're getting closer to that $99,000 level. We were there briefly today at the height when Wall Street was in its power hour and its final moments for the close. So yeah, we had some serious stuff. Let's take a look at Ethereum that is doing very well, right? It's a really nice move up. They tested once, they tested twice, and now we're running again. And here we go, right? So we have a bullish engulfing candle confirmed after a bullish back test. Very nice. Remember we were talking yesterday. Well, it's not a great area for for a freshest long for the swing trader that likes to buy low, but you do have favorable price action correlation to a key level from 2022, right? It was once resistance or reversal area. They were testing it regarding it as support, and now we have a real big engulfing candle confirming that level is support. So $4,000 is a target here, bro. You gotta see this, man. This is serious business. This is not a joke. We were looking at this yesterday in log scale on the weekly, and guess what? You could argue some sort of breakout's unfolding unless you're using the wicks here. I don't know why I use those. Oh, I used the candle bodies because it was the only way to get both of these anchor points, or both touches of the trend line. So I think you're breaking out here, and remember $7,000, $7,500 plus dollar, 1272. That'd be a target in log scale. 7,500, chat. You can't believe it now, but you will. You will, and you'll buy up here too. You'll FOMO. You'll be like, "Oh, good, dude, I missed it." And then we go to 14K or whatever, probably, because it's stupid. I know. I've already said, Brad, I mean, were you watching yesterday? I talked about white space. This is like a Raoul Pal idea. It's just, no, yeah, it's not really much of a triangle, but it is something, okay? It's something. And even if you weren't calling it a pattern, because you don't have to call anything a pattern if you don't want to. You can still say it. You have a trend line. You have one touch, you have two, you have three. All you need is two. So you have more than two to say this is a level of a supply line in log scale, and they're trying to break it. So nice stuff, man. Really nice move today. Probably gonna go a couple $100 higher before it hits a level where there might be some supply. Very nice. BNB full of drama today, where it was doing things and then it wasn't. But the weekly is gorgeous. We have a bullish engulfing candle that will be confirmed in 4 days. We have an all-time high breakout that will be confirmed in 4 days, so you need some more time. But $800 target. We almost got there, man. We got as high as what? $792. So first target of that trade said it was 800, right? The 8-hour Momo trade. Way higher to go, $1,000 eventually. Oh wow, Alabama versus UNC starting. Bro, I have to turn this thing off. This is crazy. Yeah, I just can't. I can't do it. It's so hot. Or I'm about to open this freaking window. Okay. Yep, so the daily, it was really the 8-hour, man. It was all about the confirmation low above the 200, recapturing the 600s, and then the back test. That never happened. It had not occurred before. It was always resistance, and then it flipped to support for the first time literally ever. And then after that, a huge rally, and now it's pulling back, man. It's a little shooting star reversal on the 8-hour. Whatever. They could take this down to 691. They could test this November high, the old all-time high from 2021. They could even come and test. Well, I guess they already did. 722, the newer all-time high from June. They regarded it as support. Very nice. BNB, and then look at XRP now. Whatever. XRP pulling back. You know, that rightfully so, man. What a crazy run. We could see this thing correct for a while, and it'd be fine. I mean, maybe 183. Yeah, 196 to 183 for a back test would be normal and healthy. At this point, you could begin a consolidation structure. It could turn into a falling wedge, all kinds of things. A rectangle could develop, and it could take like, a couple weeks for it to churn sideways, and that'd be fine because you've just been impulsing. So can't be surprised if we retrace a little further. There's not much to do here, for a swing trader. I mean, on most of these, it's starting to get to that point where you had your chance 2 months ago to take positions that were reasonable, that were optimal for risk management. They were optimal for upside potential, and they've now taken off. And if you missed them, you should look in the mirror. You should really be looking at yourself in the mirror if you missed all this stuff. Because when opportunity presents itself, it is far too late to prepare. Sorry, you're trying to get prepared now. I'm trying to open up a Coinbase account, man, now, today. And it didn't work out, right? So I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so I guess we have a guest on stream that we've never had like in a long time. So yeah, I don't know. You might have to like, yeah, this is Ruby. So Ruby, we've been dating.
Oh wait, you're gonna.
Yeah, we're like together. We've been together, and she's just over right now, and she wanted to come say hi to y'all. So this is my chat. This is my stream. So we got about we got a few people watching. Let's see, we got 1,228 people here. So Ruby, say hello to everyone. Just say hi if you want.
Hello.
Yeah, so she's just saying hi. Yeah, so anyway, we looked at XRP. We'll look at Solana. So this is like, we look at like the different top cryptos to start the stream. Chat, calm down. Everyone's like losing their minds right now because of you. See? So it's like you bring a hot girl on stream or Bitcoin pumps. It is the same result. You get this is. Thanks for the woo woos. Yeah, thank you. Here is Solana. You own a little Solana, but hey, I got her in Bitcoin at 64K. Chat. That was about $4,000 off the trade setup entry, but they. You not see it?
Big Mike 886.
Yeah, thank you, Big Mike 886 for the 100. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's I'm out of my element, like anytime if I have someone on the stream. So anyway, we're just we were hanging out before stream talking about the future of Bitcoin, and we were really hopeful for a 100K stream, but it hasn't happened yet. So, and I think people will be concerned about Solana maybe a Momo shift. But remember, if you're new, dude, oh my god, hold on, I gotta turn on my streamer mode because people want to just. It used to streamer mode used to turn on like automatically. I even have it on automatically, but it doesn't want to turn on when I go live. Okay. So yeah, I mean, people will be concerned about the Momo shift, but let's be real about what happened on Solana. This was one of the first trade setups that presented itself in this market that made any sense. Okay. And it was back in September. And just remember, I mean, like, if you're worried about Solana up at these higher levels, like, you have no one to blame but yourself. You should have been here earlier, right? Presented. Do you see right here? Oh God, what's going on? Look, this is happening right now. You see?
Hello, Ruby. Thanks for helping with those Christmas lights.
Big Mike 886 tipped $250. Now that's out of the
Yeah,
way,
I know,
everyone
right?
get in the Citadel. We are the winning team.
Yeah, but you hear Tony Soprano just. So thank you so much for the $100, the $200, Big Mike. Why? What was that? $250 contribution. That was $250. So he's tipped $350 on this stream. Yeah, thank you, Big Mike. I guess thanks, Ruby, because you know. Hey, here the great thing is I upped the request amount for the first time in years from $20 to $25, and it worked brilliantly. Not one person's requested an asset today, and thank you, because they were all S coins.
Super chatted $53.25.
Emmanuel, what's going on, dude?
Beat me on your dinner, so here S for the drinks.
That's for the drinks. Thank you, Emmanuel, for the dinner. Well, the drinks and the dinner. Yeah, well, you know, we're gonna be eating at what did we order? It was we ordered. I think you can make it go down. I can't remember. Yeah, you have to pull the lever or something.
To the nice couple, smile, thumbs up.
What was it? What did we order? Thank you, Bjorn. Thank you for the gabagools over there. No, she's not Southern. She's actually from California, right? Yeah, from California. So, yeah. So anyway, as I was saying, right? I mean, if you're scared about Solana, get wrecked because look, man, trade setup posted and target 3 was hit.
Ruby,
like,
please
oh,
stay
like
for
we
the whole
are the
stream.
composite man.
We would love to see your technical
It's
forex.
kind of hard to read the chat when I have to look down.
Do you see it over here? Please stay for the whole stream. We'd love to see your technicals.
Well, you know, you had a better chair.
Good lord. I love this woman. Totally forgot what I'm doing.
Good lord, I love.
So there's
Someone else said that?
yeah. So like there's an AI of my voice, and like he just tipped as myself, and it's my AI voice generated. So,
Kiss her. It's not that kind of live stream.
yeah. I mean, we could, but you know, like whatever. So anyway, you know, what are we supposed to do here? But we've made our money. We're making more of it. Okay, thanks for the banana cat. Thank you, dude. Oh, I mean, she's up. Like I got her into Square chat. You all remember Square? That thing is look at your Square position now. Look at this today. Look what it's done. You bought right here in late October in the like 72.50. Look at this thing now. Yeah. Remember, and your mom was like, it looks so meh. Well, it did. She was right. It did look meh, but like there were things that were indicating that the consolidation was concluding, and now we have Square that's sitting at the highest level since 2022 today. So you're up on your Square position. Me too. I'm up like 260% because I bought calls, but you're up.
Could you remind us all about your record-breaking tackling stats again, Lord Ray? I seem to have forgotten.
Here, you know, I'll do this. Here, it's gonna go right there. Is that better? Yeah. If you can see better. I can't put it here because it messes up. Oh God, what is it? Windows. Let's see if I can do it here, right there. That would work. No, it wouldn't work actually because if I click here, it'll go away. So it has to go. Has to go right there. Okay. Is that better? So you can read. This is way better than the Hey song. Yeah. Yeah, this is get my chat lit and look at Bitcoin. I mean, 98,974. We're getting close to 99K again. So yeah, so you know, we're kind of off the beaten path today.
Yeah, I really need a better chair. I told him gamer chair.
Why is that a thing? I don't even know. Why is that a thing? Dude, I'm about to disable Tangia if you can't be responsible with that. Oh my God. So anyway.
You two should start a crypto exchange together and call it MTX.
We should start a crypto exchange called MTX. Sorry, she'd be able to hear it, but if I turn it on, then like it echoes and it ruins it on the stream. So like you just have to be able to read it. Yeah, unfortunately. I mean, if you want to sit over here, you can, but then you'll be away from the microphone. So if you wanted to say something, it would be harder to do that. So, anyway, so hey, y'all remember Sin? Remember the hate tip at the best entry level of all time, and now it blew up. It hit $1 today, and it's pulled back, you know. And you're just waiting for $1.77 now. We're waiting for $2 eventually. Good God, they're freaking out. Putin just, no, he didn't, dude. Stop with the fake news. Putin didn't do that. If he did, though, please, Ahmad, let me know if he did. You know, that'd be crazy. But yeah, never forget the hate tips, chat. So yeah, we had other assets that killed it today. Comp was, look at this. Can you imagine this asset? Look at it. It like just blew up this candle right here. I mean, it went 50% today. So it was just look, for years, it was just sitting dead at $50, and now it just got as high as $143 today. Comp, and then Block is a scam, like what is it? It's like the metaverse. I don't know if you remember like NFTs and the metaverse, virtual reality. What? Big Mike, look at this. Maybe it's the first tip in Wi-Fi ever. Oh my God.
Big Mike 886 tip $498.67. First tip in 0.04815010.
Oh my God. Big Mike coming in. Wait, why did it not update though? That's like nearly $1,000 you've tipped since Ruby showed up.
Oh wow.
Are you?
He has a crush on
Are you crushing on Ruby? Or are you crushing on me? My God. Yeah, Wi-Fi though, dude. Wi-Fi, you know, we've talked about it before. This thing could the Andromeda Galaxy was 18K, right? Back in the day, we were joking about it. It got to 15, almost 16K. But 18K, 25K up there, you could be looking at that soon. So I would say like something like this is kind of maybe the top of the range. You know, you get these fake outs, but 11K might be it. If they break that for real, you got an 18K, 25K, maybe 39K target eventually. Because this is definitely the composite operator structure, his signature, right? I mean, that's it. That's a Wyckoff accumulation signature. So eventually, you'd think that we might see a lot higher prices here on Wi-Fi. So thanks for tipping me in Wi-Fi. That is now over $10,000 for the first time since March. My God, man.
Hey, Ruby, you're in Square. I'm in Square. We should get together and talk about how square we are. Mitch, you're even invited if you're not too busy with these coin requests.
There have been no S-Coin requests. I upped it to $25 and no one can afford it all of a sudden. And it's like, fine. I don't want to look at Peanut Coin that's up 500% in a day. You know, like what the heck? So it worked out. It worked out. Okay. So in lieu of request, we have Ruby as a guest just hanging. So, yeah, let's see. They say people, y'all, I didn't get to read chat the past 2 days because I had like 500 requests each stream. So like finally I get to take a break for a minute and just, hang out. Well, yeah, they don't want me to get complacent here. So
distracted.
Yeah, distracted. They want me to be sure I'm still doing my TA, even though we're, you know.
Okay, should I go?
No, it's okay. No, I'm just saying. Hey, y'all remember High? Yeah, remember we were talking about this, the Boogaloo, part 2, part 1. Beautiful trade setup, and then finally pulled the trigger on part 2, and now it's blasting off. And you know we're waiting for 7.78 cents, maybe even 11 cents eventually. So way more upside. Sorry,
It's being awkwardly tall.
I know. So it can't go down. Stand up for a sec.
I'm just gonna go.
You're gonna go?
Maybe I'll come back though.
Okay. All right. That's cool. Sounds good.
Bye.
All right. Everyone say goodbye to Ruby.
Have you and Ruby gone into price discovery yet, or are you still up against resistance? XX.
It's a wrong channel, guy. I don't know what you just said. I didn't hear it because it didn't show up. But hey, man, at least we know. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Brad, get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. Oh, man. You know, the thing about being like really fair-skinned and pale, yeah, man, if you blush, if you start sweating, you start getting, it's really noticeable to the naked eye. So, yeah. Anyway, so she wanted to say hi, man. Whatever, man. I was like, okay, if you want to say hi, you're gonna say, come on in and say hi. So, Shiba had a good day. I mean, that was the highest daily candle close on Shiba Inu since March, man. And they broke the resistance. They back tested, and now they ran it again. So there's a little more upside on this, but what a good run so far. I don't know why you say I'm funny, dude. What about me is funny? Funny like a clown, like I amuse you, blah, blah, blah. Oh, no, she's not interested in Middle Earth lore, unfortunately. Yeah, I tried. Yeah, find me a woman that will do that. No woman's into Middle Earth lore, okay? Into Silmarillion or any of that? No one, okay? It's just not a thing. So it's just a man's world. Casper blew up. Cool. You know, hit that major level again. Nothing really going on. Mana had a good day. Mana had its highest daily candle close since... It's really close here. Highest daily candle close since frickin' February 2023. Up against a big resistance. This is a big reversal area. Anonymous, thanks so much for the poster merchandise. The Virch merch perch. Thank you, dude. My God. Corey, that was you. Thank you so much, dude, for the support, okay? Thank you. No, she did not get any meme coins. No, but again, I got her into Bitcoin. 64K. She's holding it. She's been like, should I? I'm like, no, just hang tight. Hang tight. Nice, JS, man. Good. I hope that dude didn't own any of it. Okay, I hope he didn't buy.
Can we look at AMD, good sir?
Bush, wow, thank you so much for I think that's the first contribution, $25 contribution that met the criteria, and it's going to be looked at now. Yeah, thank you. Your history, dude. You are history. Bush, be proud.
Good day, Miss Smiles. Watch out, Mitch will wear Viking helmet above $150K Bitcoin.
What's up, Sulta, man?
Please, what's your first crypto buy?
Who says I've been already
Kings
worn
and
it?
Queens,
Just kidding.
D.
Thank you. Sorry, just checking things out. Yeah. Remind y'all about my record-breaking tackle stats again. Lion. Yeah, like 168 tackles in one season, and it broke the school record. Who cares, right? You asked, man. You paid money to ask, so I had to answer. I wasn't gonna not tell you. Okay, anyway, so yeah, we've just had a really good day to ETC, continuing to ascend to hit its highest. Oh my God, we're getting near Leroy Jenkins levels. Highest level since September 2022 was achieved today. Okay, Leroy Jenkins is like 43 to the $60 level. Oh my God, dude. And we're about to do it, man. Oh, I was supposed to tell when she was here. Yeah, man, there was too much going on. It was like, you know, hypersensitivity of the chat. Y'all freaked out and freaked me out. I mean, I'm out of my element when anyone's next to me on a stream. It's like, you know, very, Dot broke out, I believe. Nope, they pulled it back. They were trying to, but you have this big reversal area from 2021. And you closed right at it. I mean, this is where you could see a pullback. And at the same time, if they hold it, this is exactly where it goes to 18 bucks in a day or two, right? But man, it's up against a big level here.
Mitch, buddy, got a girlfriend, and you're out here drawing lines like Picasso on those charts. Fibonacci, clean, RSI, sharp girlfriend, even sharper. Keep those gains tight. No stop loss on love, my friend.
Oh my God, that's the most cringe voice I've ever heard. That's so not Trump. Oh my God. There's another one that sounds better. Please stop embarrassing me. Oh my God. Wow. Anyway, Altcoin. Wow. After pretty much hitting target 2, it's just been consolidating, but probably will run again, man. I mean, this looks like it's like wedging now, some tight consolidation, and this is what it kind of looks like now. Wow, are you kidding me? Altcoin? Remember, this thing's done already, right? The smart money already was smart. Do we have yeah, here we have, you want to see it? Do you want to see it, chat? Here it is. Altcoin. September 19th. Yeah, you weren't here. You didn't care. But look at Target 1 and 2. Do you see it? Do you see? Oh, okay. Do you not? Yeah, it just happens to hit 1 and 2 and then begins to consolidate for, 10 days. So.
Hey Mitch, can you please look at VERX?
Easy member, dude. I've been saying all stream. We have $25 requests now. You can string bet five more on top, but we had to go up for quality of life. For at this point, dude, if you don't value what I do here, you can't justify a $25 for my formal request. It just wasn't worth it anyway, right? I wasn't. So I wonder if this is like an inverted hammer we got going on. This is pretty nice here on R. You could probably set a stop at like 24 cents now and let this thing run back up to 40 cents plus. That's a beautiful falling wedge now we got going on. Okay, on R coin. I'm a pirate. All right. Privacy coin. Doesn't look like we'll need privacy coins, where we're headed with the way they're going to regulate crypto positively. So. Real quick. Big shout out to some new members. Just Jiwa, thank you so much for joining the Patreon/Citadel first time ever. Keanu Leaves, thanks for joining for the first time ever. It's Keanu joins, not Keanu leaves. Sean Logical, thanks for the 3 months continued support. The Patreon/Citadel, pump it up. Thank you for the 10 months continued support.
How much would someone need to invest to change their life? It's relative, no? 5K, 20K.
Depends if you have leverage, Mr. Singh. That's all I can say. Yeah. You can't really change your life. I mean, you can double your money, get lucky and all that, but man, some of these 30% moves, like if you have some sort of responsible leverage on an account, cross account where, hey man, if your account gets liquidated, right, and you only had a certain amount in it, a little amount in it, then whatever, so there are times to make money, times not to lose money. This has certainly been a time to make crazy money. You just don't know when the flush will happen, right? At some point, there will be a big reconsolidation, right? Restructuring of how things are, where like a lot of liquidity gets pulled out of these coins and goes into Bitcoin, or everything sells off, and then we kind of reset. So it's a really not an easy question, I guess. You could take 5K levered, and you have a good setup. You could double that real fast. But yeah, you gotta have access to that. So, and yeah, you gotta understand like risk management, where you're buying. You can't just be I'm gonna buy our coin randomly November 22nd. You have to have a plan, man. Yeah, you'd be buying our coin with a little bit of leverage at 16, 17, 18 cents. That's life-changing money. My God, because the thing from the entry, it took a while, but it went up 144% unlevered in 18 days when it started going. Hello? Oh, God, why is it doing this? Anyway, man, so what was going on, dude? Look at Pepe coin. I'm not sure, man. Pepe coin looked like it was doing all right, like it maybe is still fine. It's just consolidating. This is where it could rug and collapse down to like 166,959, or it could blast through that and be at like 12,800 or 128,000. I know this is worthless, man. It's like 1.6. It's like 2.1 1/1000th of a penny. But this is like probably going to keep going because it's crypto. You just don't know if it's going to dump really hard before going higher or just start going soon. You had a major bullish. You had a very real bullish engulfing candle again confirmed yesterday. MIDI, yeah, there you go. 5-time leverage, it'd be over 20K in profit on that. And there you go. See what I'm saying? Like, yeah, but if like you have a very small amount, like you're wagering and you don't have leverage, well, you're gonna just be beholden to unlevered gains, which, oh, you'd have made 5K, you know, on that trade. Well, for that account anyway, but you know, no, that's not true. I mean, if Ethereum pumped, then Pepe would have really pumped. Pepe has been doing nothing since early mid-November. So checking on Doge real quick. I'm just, you know, engulfed yesterday, but we just still have like a upsloping flag here. I think you're flipping coins. There's no edge right now. This could easily dump back down to 35, 34 cents, go on a deeper correction too. At the same time, as you flip the coin, it could start breaking 45 cents and head on up to 50 plus cents. Coin flip, man, no edge. There was a time, and that was a trade setup entry down here in October. The rising valleys, spring back test, hidden bullish divergence. It was beautiful. And then it went. It was absurdly good. Now it's nebulous. We're not really sure. Like, they can't break resistance, but they held support, so they might retest support before going higher, you know. So you just don't have, look, man, if you're buying Doge right now, understand via technicals, you are at the slot machine, pulling the slot machine lever. That's what you're doing on a lot of them now, because you had your chance and now they're gone. The Bitcoin's at 98,442. Thanks for the 1,300 people here. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, the bell, that sub. You're selling off a little bit. Bitcoin's down about $300. We had a couple of requests, thankfully. Not a million like the past 2 days. I was literally a chart analysis machine because the requests were so overwhelming. Okay, so I was unable to finish giving a shout out. Okay, pump it up. Thanks for the 10 months continued support in the Patreon/Citadel. Dead check. Thanks for the 9 months continued support. Patreon/Citadel. NBF. Thank you for the freaking 22 months, man. And then I'll just play one more Ultra Jesus Chimes. EW Scott. Thank you for joining the Patreon. JH. Thank you so much, man. Nico G. Angel73. Stevo. Tyler B. Thank you all for joining the Patreon. Mother of God. You know what? Nico G went annual. He joined the Patreon for the year. You get, if you don't know, if you join the annual, you get 1 month free. So you're only paying for 11 months. Highly recommend that. And that's what people start doing during these cycles. Okay, you kind of realize, all right, time to pony up and just do it. Because you're not going to have opportunity every single month, but every other month, you very well could. So you want to stick around for the long haul on that. My God. Tyler B, Mini Goat Lawyer, thank you so much for joining the annual too. What the heck? We've got a lot of new annuals. Okay, thank y'all. I really appreciate that. Puts that's a lot of faith you put in me, and all I can do is give you my word. I'll continue coming back and doing my thing. I've been doing it almost 7 years now, so thank you for that. And then Warbot0, thank you for joining the Patreon, and Zicky, thank you also for joining the Patreon. My God, man, we got a breakout. Patreon breakout. Okay. It's like 2021 again. Wow. Okay. So as the market cools off a little bit, we could maybe knock out one of those. We only had a couple requests, I think. So let's see here. Let's see. It was Bjorn didn't even want anything. Emmanuel just wanted to pay for drinks. Big Mike just wanted to pay for dinner. Anonymous, I don't get that. You two should start a crypto exchange together and call it MTX. MTX. What does that mean? Yeah, long-term uptrend on Doge, of course. But understand, like, Bitcoin could flush. Doge comes back down. Oh no, they violated. Deep retrace, flushes, liquidations, tons of liquidations of over-levered longs, and they recapture the level, they reconfirm it, they hold it. Oh my God, it's like near Christmas. And then later it goes. You just have to know right now there's just no edge. You have nothing that implies we're impending price action, continuation now, soon. You don't have it. So you're just flipping coins. But yeah, the thing is, if you're in deep from a more strategic level, you don't care what it does next because you know it's never coming back down to this level anytime soon, and it's not done. The cycle is not done. It could go to 28 cents, everything's good. 21 cents, still going to make a higher low. This is an undeniable, indubitable uptrend, okay? We're good. So yeah, it's different when we're talking about swing trading, position trading versus, you know, trend riding, okay? Yeah, ape went ape, dude. Yeah, but it just keeps getting sold into that $2 level. I don't know if they're gonna be able to do it, man. It's annoying. Still got some. Storage coin up against a big resistance. That might be a reversal candle for the short term, maybe. This thing just unstoppable, no pullbacks. What'd you do? Again, highest daily candle close confirmed on Storage Daily since April 8th. But again, like this is where you know there will probably be supply. There's this offshoot chance they just break it and it busts to 123 in 2 days. But yeah, any pullback here, you would imagine it's gonna, if there is a pullback, because there hasn't been one, if there is, it will probably conclude substantially higher than 44 cents, 45 cents. And then eventually test 75 cents again. They'll absorb the remaining supply, and I think we'll see 124, 128 soon. Okay. Chain, you know, we have rules here. If you really want to see a request and you value me and my analysis, remember I'm 100% crowdsourced. Never accepted a sponsorship ever. Okay. Never turned on YouTube monetization ads. You don't watch ads when you watch the stream. You listen to copyright music in the background, subtle, but it's good. I mean, like, I'm the purest form of streamer, content creator you'll ever find. You will not find anyone more pure than me when it comes to this stuff. So the catch is, if you want my analysis for real, 25 bucks, man. Now, it used to be 20. It was 20 for years. And because of so much insanity and all these new people coming around that I've never seen before, 25. Sorry. Had to increase in inflation to say that, okay? Times are tough, man, for the no coiner. I get it. But if you were a coiner, if you cared in the past 2 months, $25 ain't a thing.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing, man. It's like, really? Like $2 for an S coin? Yeah, I get it. Whatever. It's just like, there are no excuses now, because it's like, you can't be like now, hey man, you need to like be empathetic to the lost souls, dude, to the people that missed it. It's like, nah, no empathy, because I was here for free every single day when they didn't give a crap. So it's just not fair. I'm not doing that. No empathy. I was here as a free resource for everyone in the most homeless person you can imagine, the zoners of the world. They have no money, so they're at McDonald's on the free Wi-Fi. They could have watched my stream for free and invested in themselves and learned things and have been prepared for this moment in time that will not last. It never does, but it will probably continue for a while. So no empathy. Because there were many lost souls. See, that's the thing people were talking about. There were many people that were lost in life, and they found me, and they were devout in trying to change their lives, and they listened, and they just made incredible money. So what's the excuse of the people that didn't care? And they're showing up now. Too late. But yeah, I mean, there will be new opportunity presenting itself, but we're just in that impulse phase where you can't trade strategically. I mean, like, again, like on Sol, like, you got to get, man, that the party just ended for the trader. The dumb money shows up buying at all-time highs. Like, people showing up and like, hey, man, I've never participated in Solana in my entire life, and I'm going to I am going to long it when swing traders just on an unlevered position pretty much double their money in a couple months. They're going to go long on that. Okay, well, have fun taking on short-term losses for a while. Immigrant Son, thanks for the 1776. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Hold on a sec. Okay, so yeah, just not a value area. You're paying all-time high premium on this asset. You don't really have an argument for a strategic swing trade or anything right here. And this thing could continue to correct. It could go down to $200 or whatever. Maybe we get a falling wedge at some point that develops, but you just got to wait. But again, if you're buying Solana right now, just understand you're pulling the slot machine. There is a chance you could win the jackpot. Oh, wow, $50 turns into $1 million. But you're going to probably pull the lever and it's not going to go the way you want. You're playing poker. You got ace king suited down here. You're at the poker table of the financial casino. Up here, buying up here. Again, you're at the slot machine, the roulette table. You're playing the game of the house, and the house always wins. So, okay, so there's your request. AMD for Bush. The first of his name. Well, here we are. You know, AMD has just been having a lot of trouble. That that bearish Gartley ended up being Kang, man. That was amazing.
Hey Mitch, great work as always. Can you look at Dollar Mavia?
SKT wants Mavia. So your Canadian dollars just don't carry the same weight they used to, right? Thank you for the first super chat ever, man. Thank you. I'll give it a shot. Remember, it is 25 United States dollars. That's the rule. There you go. So what could be happening now? Could be developing a new M shape. And the way I like NVIDIA above 140, chat. I just do. It's like a bat. I don't know if it hit an 886 though. Yeah, it definitely did. It got close, but it's like a 786 there. Very close, but see, someone would anchor like this, and then you would have yourself a pretty interesting thing. I mean, it's like 100% retrace almost. It's like a bat, maybe like that. So the issue is you're not really at key. Well, shoot, man. See, the big level is 122, but there is this old high. Dang, man, it goes back to right there. One time in 2022 and another time in 2023. They're trying to hold that. That could be a level where you try to strategize. They tried once and they've tried twice now. I mean, you know, if NVIDIA is going to do its thing above 140 and head to all-time highs, 1272, 1618s, this is probably bottoming out. You know, 154, 161. There's just so much adversity. Like, good God, they have to break so many levels. But yeah, what I'm happy about is like the lowest low in August. Here's a higher low, and here's another higher low. So I like that. That's almost like triple bottom accumulation stuff. So AMD is not that bad. I'd feel pretty uncomfortable below 133 on AMD though. CLQD, thank you, man. Thanks so much, man. 5th super chat ever. Wow.
Adding to my $20 original tip. Did not
That's all
realize
good, dude.
the price had gone up. Can you please look at Verx?
We'll look. Thank you. So we could be looking at that. I typically like to anchor from the lowest low. And if you did that, then you would 88% retrace. You'd be waiting for that. You'd be waiting for like 130. So yeah, kind of tough here on this one, really. And since we looked at that, let's look at NVIDIA real quick where, hey man, I'm a happy camper, all right, on this. I really do like NVIDIA above 140. Big Billy, head and shoulders.
It's okay, get your diamonds.
And I love pressure.
Okay.
I strategized AMD at around 132 because I have been paying attention to your streams, Mr. Ray.
Went for a walk today. Fantastic, man. I hope it plays out. AMD, hey, I got faith. This stream runs on an AMD. Okay, Threadripper.
Notice
AMD
the higher
Threadripper
lows, so I
CPU,
thought I found something nice.
pristine,
Thanks for the feedback,
quality,
super valuable.
more cores than anything else. Blows Intel out of the water. Yeah, Bush. It's like those two higher lows at that level from 2022, 2023. You can strategize, you know. Nice. The M shape looked pretty. You know, it looked by the book, pretty nice. You know, you give it the eye test, and I liked it. You know, that's something about like if you ever develop an algorithm to identify what I look at, it's like, yeah, but the algo sometimes can like identify it, but it looks ugly to the eye, to the human eye, and it's like, how do we implement the human eye test on the AI? I don't know if you can. Anyway, yeah, if you're above 140, hype in the chat. Let's go to 170 and keep this roaring 20s stuff going. Okay, money printer go burr. Federal Reserve's a independent entity that funds itself. I think Jerome Powell was saying something like that today. So it's like, okay, let's go, dude. Print that money, keep it running. But I feel this really bad for 50% of America that does not participate in financial instruments that outrun or keep up with inflation. They're the ones getting destroyed. Those are the ones voting for Kamala too.
Adding to my last super chat because I feel short. Please check out Dollar Mavia. This is my second time requesting it, and I also requested
SKT, thanks,
ones.
man. Yeah, Mavia.
3SC.
Mavia. We'll look at your S coin. Okay, Apple made all-time highs. You want to look at it real quick. Beautiful. Again, it's like streaking now. It's like 3 days in a row. 4 days in a row. 4 all-time highs in a row. 1272 first target. 248. 254. 262 is the 1618. So you still got some more upside. That is a wow, man. Just look, how many days? 8 green days in a row. Whew. Those bots are turned on, are they not? So you think at some point they'd pull it back, they might test 237. At this point, it's so good that it could dump to 224, and if the sell-off concludes there, it's your highest low ever. So Apple is in wonderful shape for upside. And I'm just looking at these real quick because it's on some Microsoft. Really comfortable on Microsoft now, chat. I am really good with this. People are like, oh no, it'd be a head and shoulder. Not anymore, I don't think. Above 430, 433. Green light on MicroStrategy, or not Microsoft. Said that word too many times. Green light to 467 on Microsoft, above 430. And then it ended up doing the thing, right? Where it was like 1 and 2, and then your third valley just happened to be 3 different valleys. That's what happened. And that higher low right there, it was like an inverse head and shoulders develop. My God. Yeah, that's where we are. And that, I mean, the neckline, I think you broke it. Even if you did it like this, you got a breakout. It's not conventional. It looks kind of weird, but it's pretty at the same time. So I like Microsoft here. Okay. Very nice. Tesla's up there. Sorry, look at these and get those. Only a few requests. So Tesla, you know, that was chat. You know what happened today on Tesla? You can't even believe it. This is mandatory Jesus chimes on Tesla. Highest daily candle close since April 5th of 2022. Multi-year highs today on the Tesla close. Yep. And really, what is it? You can see it's like higher lows, a sell wall at 360. Once they break 360, it's going to be as fast as it went from 237 to 353. Like you're just pausing and you're about to continue and you're going to hit $411. So if you're patient, you know, you're in way lower, right? Way lower. I mean, this was, come on, one of the trades of the year. Target 3, 260, and then it reversed and went back to entry. But then the spring back test, all the higher lows, the trend reversed, man. The T-shape recovery, the Tesla logo inverse head and shoulders. And now look at us. So again, if you're patient, you're going to see $400, high probability. Animal spirits are deeply embedded within Tesla. All right. Whew. Thanks for the Christmas tree compliments, man. Thank you, dude. Christmas trees in the chat. I don't even know. They have Christmas tree emojis. We could all spam together. Everyone have their alerts set up, you know, around 362. Because you hear the beep, it's going to be multi-year highs on price. This is wonderful, man. It's so good. So strong. Okay. Well, my food's about to be here. We were waiting on food for like an hour. Oh, STK. We ordered STK. Sorry.
Is it worth taking a little risk? New token $I Oracle.
Hello, Marcos. You tell me, dude. You tell me.
Hey, Mitch, can you take a look at the stock
Ariza
KURL
gets it.
Technology Group,
Ariza.
KURL. It's up 500% YTD.
Yeah, curl, man. We're curling. We're doing curls. Our arms are getting jacked. And it's up 500%. Yep, on the year. We will look. That's all I can do is promise you that, okay? Thank you. Okay, let's see here. Kazizi wanted Virix. Not Lord Beerus coin, but Virix. Viracta Therapeutics. Man, what happened to the Unihealth, dude? Unihealth CEO or whatever? That's crazy. Anyone got an idea? Is there any development on that? What's happening? Because that's pretty scary stuff. Oh no, I mean, nothing about this that... This is like spacebar. Not owning this trash. I don't care if it goes on a short squeeze. What'd they do today? It's up 12% today, but look what they're doing. All they're doing is testing the old all-time low from August 2024 as resistance. That's it. There's nothing here. No composite operator buying this crap. I wouldn't be buying it either. I don't care what it does. It can go 100%. I don't care. I wouldn't own it, but you could. You can take your chance. Remember, this is like you're going to play Keno at the casino. Keno, the worst odds in the entire house.
Oh, I don't think I'm dumber than you thought that I was once.
Pretty much. Thank you. Keno, 38% win chance every time you play it, from what I've read at the casino. So that's here. Why? Because you know for a fact when you're in a bear trend, a long lasting downtrend like this, trying to long is like swimming against the undertow, going against the tide, man. You're not trying to long things in such well-established bear trends. So you know you're playing probably one of the worst games at the casino. So I wouldn't do anything with it. But hey, rejoice on the 12% run today. Congrats for anyone who bought it. I wouldn't be staying in it very long. Did anyone know what happened with the guy? Anyone at all? Oh, there's some Christmas trees. Nice. It was a hit job? Yeah, I know, but any like new developments? Dude, if you get banned on YouTube, please understand there is nothing I can do to unban you. And it comes down to hold on one sec. Because so many people have been banned. You have no idea. Like, part of my job is every day when the stream ends, a bunch of people from Nigeria or India or somewhere have bots that have fake conversations trying to scam people. And I have to ban them, all of them, every day of my life. Okay? It's just part of the job. And so YouTube cannot store all these made up fake accounts. And so like when you go to the banned list, it only shows a handful of banned people. But guess what? All the other people are still banned. So you're just lost in the ether on YouTube if you get banned now. So it's really smart to not get banned. Oh my God.
The bird feeder tipped $150. 95K support is still rock solid.
Wow, bird feeder. Thank you so much. Can we get a big hype in the chat for the bird feeders? Okay. There are multiple bird feeders. They feed birds. They took the black. They are annual patrons, super contributors to this community. Thank y'all. Holy crap. Really appreciate that. Thank you. I don't know. Big Mike tried. I think Big Mike claimed paying for dinner tonight, but that could be for tomorrow night. Okay. My meal plans got screwed up because of Thanksgiving, so I've been having to order out anyway. So we'll see what we can do. Thank you. Amazing American. Hey, that'd be okay. I mean, everyone would be down with that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually have to. This sucks. My neighbor is gutting their entire penthouse. So jackhammers still, and they're gonna be jackhammering tomorrow and Friday. And I had to book a hotel room. I'll be going to a hotel tonight until Friday. So I might be streaming from a hotel right down the road too. It just like and it's like, wow, you just have to do that. Otherwise you have to deal with the noises and it's so loud. It's awful. So yeah, that's where I'll be headed tonight. Fun. Okay, so that's your Varix. Terrible, dude. Terrible. All right, Mavia. Sounds like an Heroes of Mavia. Oh God, dude. Well, we were here at some point. We were here and we identified a confirmation low. You had a chance. This was a really nice sign of strength here. That was beautiful, right? Because you confirmed the bottom, but then they sold it off one more time. What? When it engulfed, there was so much demand that the sellers were unable to test 110 again. And from there, moon. And now it's pulling back, and this thing could make an 886 retrace. This thing could go all the way down. Drum Maroon, thank you. You could do that. Put in the highest low and run again later. I mean, so that was the pump. If you're a range-bound trader, the closer to 110, the easier it is to trade. You'd probably maybe would have taken profit 188. Thank you. Yep. So they might check. They're going to check back 187 maybe, but eventually you think it'll pivot and could run to 278. Man, it's just a scam coin, dude. This is a rug pull of epic proportions. But dude, I'm gonna kill somebody. I gotta find this. I got this hotkey like to turn off Tangia if they're playing something too stupid. One second. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. Heroes of Mafia, dude. I don't know, man. It's kind of a joke, but Bitcoin 98,284. What's going on? Why can't I hear anything? Hello? Thanks, Nate. What's up, Quina?
Quiener tip $25. Root, NASDAQ, interesting timeline. But what about that
We'll look
gap
at
on the
it.
daily?
Sir, thank you. Root. Yeah, you had your chance. I mean, there were a better time to look at it. We looked at it when it was a good time, apparently. Forgot this thing existed. Down 4% today. As long as you make a higher low than $1, probably the highest low, and you'll probably run again. All right. All right, 98.1. Bitcoin's dumping at its lows of the day. It's down 600 points now since the new candle. Remember, Bitcoin had its second highest daily candle close in human history just an hour and 13 minutes ago. Next request. Curl.
Viva Vulcan tip $25.
Oh, Tucker?
Can you check Riven, please? First higher low in
tell me it's
forever and
Tucker
might be a
coin.
good look above $12. What you think?
Technology group? Curl Technology Group. Well, you tell me here. I got their S coins. Tucker Curl. This is it. There's no Curl Technology Group. Ariza, is this what you're talking about? Oh, I don't know what this is, but dang. I mean, what an M shape, pumped and dumped. Maybe they're going for a type 2 here. This is starting to get pretty interesting down here. That's not what you requested, but
Hey there. Drunk Maroon. There's lots of trees in the backwood in upstate New York. Maybe you and I should take a little drive up there. I'll bring the saw, and you can drive.
thank you, Tony Soprano, putting him in his place. So we're starting to get a little flush here on the altcoins. Yeah, a lot of altcoins down big amounts real fast. I mean, storage down 6% already. ApeCoin down 4%. ZRX down 5+%. Doge down almost 5%. Altcoins starting to, yeah, that's what happens, man. Oh, woo woo. Okay, thank you. Ariza, are you here? You have anything to say? Because what you asked for is not on TradingView. Bitcoin dominance pumping. Yep. Well, see what they'll do. They'll dump these altcoins. They'll go cash, and then all the cash will flood back into Bitcoin for 100K. You'll see. Yeah. Root for Quina. TradingView, but look, I mean, was that the one? Is that what you wanted? What I looked at? It's a stock, but I'm just telling you. I did KURL, what you requested. This is all that generates on TradingView, and it's on all. Not stocks, funds, see? Nothing there. Curl. Ariza? You type in KURL on TradingView and you show me what generates. Oh, KLR, because you misspelled it. There it is. Yeah, but come on. The tip literally said KURL twice. 2 times on the TTS. Look. 2 times it said KURL, KURL. So it's down 18% today because it's a, like whatever, a long-term nasty downtrend. So you say a look at it. We'll look, but I mean, there's just nothing to look at for the swing trader perspective. You can't touch this. It's again, you're at the casino pulling the slot machine lever on this. Industrial machinery. They never really make money. They lose money. So I guess you could say the long term is just a big shark pattern, right? That was a beautiful shark in the end. My God, it was freaking perfect. Wow, what a shark. So, you know, if they do something like this, eventually round trip it, okay, then we might be onto something, but you can't, taking a long here is just, you could take on stupid bad losses real fast. There's just no way to strategize up here. Maybe they fill the gap at 46 cents. But yeah, well, that was nice. Nice little crazy shark. What's up, Grub? Yeah, your team, man. It doesn't matter, apparently, because Bama's in, no matter what happens against SMU Clemson. But, yeah, this is great. You're seeing Bitcoin recover. Like, Bitcoin just rallied $500 off its lows, okay? And the altcoins, they're up maybe 0.5%. So that is the money's flooding, pulling out of these altcoins. And it does seem very possible, okay? Could be completely wrong here, right? Because this is just market dynamic idea in the cycle and how it goes. Like, you know, these have gone on such good runs, trade setup targets getting hit, all kinds of stuff. It's like, okay, time to rug them a little bit. Where they have some really nice red candles, but the money goes cash, and all that money, all those gains from those altcoins start flooding back into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin goes to 100K, 120K. Altcoins kind of, some here and there rally, but you know, a lot of them pull back. And you can't be surprised. Raise things to 25. Root on the NASDAQ. Well, this one had a split sometime and screwed everything up. So we had something, man. We had something somewhere. I don't know. It's all screwed, man. We had a wedge. Yeah, this thing gone. Last time we looked at it was down here, I guess. Again, you're just kind of in a situation up here where there's nothing you can do to strategize. There's no value. You just hit like multi-year highs. There's no structure, you know, you really have that could give you an edge on what's coming next. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Root and insurance broker services, right? Again, all I'm trying to do, there's a framework. We either have it or we don't. If we don't have it, if I don't see it, there's literally no reason of looking at it for much longer. Or we can just talk about the levels. I mean, it pretty much hit one. Some swing high from 2021.
Please check ordinal.
Yeah, everything bubbled. And you got like 150 up there. I don't know if that's enough. I don't know if 1,000 DZDs is gonna cut it. All right, chat. Is the DZD gonna do it? I don't know. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like earnings, it gapped up, it's run, okay, but just think, like, understand, like, you could pull back. Maybe they test $83. Wow, it was a Garley, it was a bat, it was a dragon. It was a dragon.
On the 1 second chart, Gartley forming.
Thank you.
No, a bat. Now it's a crab.
We'll look at the Bitcoin
Levels,
dominance
please.
1 second chart.
Now it's a
if
dragon.
you so desire. But as a swing trader, you can't do anything here. You longing is, you're at the casino, at the slot machines, at the games of chance. You're at the roulette table right here, just longing now. I can't help you. I can't help when the framework is not presenting itself on this chart. Can't help. 116, 150, 8350. Those are your levels. Coiner, thank you, dude. Rivian for Viva Vulcan.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
By the way, total, Jonathan, he forgot to show up.
like turtles.
All-time highs on total market cap. Can you believe it, dude? History yesterday. Highest close ever. highest price intraday. We got as high as $3.58 trillion. Let's freaking go, man.
What the f did you put in that sauce?
Whoa, calm down, dude. Ooh, well.
Bueller.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we might be onto something. So forget this for a second. You know what's happening? Dude, this could be, I mean, like, it might suck because the trend's awful, but if you're talking about an M shape, this is, does it, oh, it's so close to being valid. It's a pretty, the eye test, you know, that to me is very pretty. Very, very pretty. The M shape, it looks like a Gartley, man. 61% retrace on B886. It's a deep, yeah, Rivian looks splendid. Now, here's the thing, though. You know, they're trying to recapture 1180. This sucks, dude, because it's at all-time lows. How do we look at this? Like, is it a wedge or something? That's a beautiful M shape. Okay, I could not be surprised if it does something very nice. If this does usher in reversal. Do we have something like this and this? Okay, maybe something like that. Maybe it's wedging. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we have a type 2 or anything, but yeah. I like the way this looks. And you very well could articulate a type 2 because right there, this is the high to low. Yep, 38% retrace. Type 1 reaction, hit a 382. That meets the criteria. When you pull back, you got a type 2 return. Yeah, we have a type 2 return on this. This is all type 1 there. You can see it, right? And then you have this very small type 2. And guess what the bottom was? We were talking about this education yesterday. What is this? A lot of you answered what I said yesterday. What is this? What is that Japanese candlestick reversal? Pretty much, without a shadow of a doubt. What is that? I'll wait. I need to get Ruby back in here. Wake y'all the frick back up, man. Eric, come on, dude. Yesterday was the pin bar. Dude, for you, Eric, I literally educated and did this. Go rewind the stream. I did this for you, and I was like, hey, man, you said dragonfly yesterday, and I'm like, this is a dragonfly. And wait a second. Here's a real live dragonfly. It's virtually... right? Opened exactly where it closed. That's the dragonfly doji. Okay, good answers. I see some of y'all answered. It's a dragonfly. And a type 2 return. Type 2. So it's like, you know, they can pull back. We can get a third valley or something like that. But man, that's nice on Rivian. 1567, $20 would be some targets. You just don't know at all-time lows. This could end up being a cycle reverser. Be crazy. I like it, man. I'll just post it in the charts only, just for the record. This could, you never know, man. They start out like this, really humble, and then they can turn into just godlike structures. They end up taking us to $30. Shrug. Shrug emoji. Pepe shrug. Thank you, Viva Vulcan. Our bird feeder wanted Bitcoin dominance. Remember, $25 minimum request. If you want a formal request where I look at it, we plot it, we analyze it, $25. If you don't want that, then okay. Then we don't do that. So this thing dumped, I think it lost half its 2024 gains in a week. And now we got ourselves a little, somehow they did it. Piercing line, you know, open lower than yesterday's close 2 days ago. Now starting to run, fall through. This could be reversing. It's up against this, look, resistance from December and March 2023. Now they're flipping to support, so this could continue to rally here. I mean, altcoins are flushing as I speak to you, man. They are flushing, bro. If it doesn't work, what doesn't work? What are you talking about, man? I'm confused here. Yeah. So this happens, man. Sorry, getting really hungry now, and my food's out there, and I'm just, yeah. Okay, so 1 second chart was a request, $50 request. So, dang, dude, you're right, man. It was, look, dude, it's a bullish, it's a 113 shark pattern. The bird feeders are right, man. Look, it's a shark, bro. What is that? Why is it doing it? I guess the 1 second chart, we can't plot things. Bro, look, dude, it's a shark. It's a 113
Happy to
shark,
see you're still
man.
doling out the education.
Time to return, holy
I have
crap.
not been able to see a live stream in a month.
Ingrid Abuelo, thank you so much. Oh, man, you missed a lot of months, didn't you? Thank you so much.
Is that a join?
Is it gonna play out on the 1 second chart, man? No, it doesn't look like it. All right, dude. There is no reliability on the 1 second chart of anything that exists. You see it like, okay, it's gonna hit. It's the hop, man. It's hitting the hop, dudes. But no, man. See, the bad action magnet move is already broken. So high probability of an 886 now at 56.38%, man. So like that'll fail because like the context here is this. Yeah, so you got 886 going down here, man. We might see it real fast. Come on, take us down the 886, bro. Let's get the 886, dude. Yeah, dude. At least it might play out fast. I don't know, dude.
Come here, I'm gonna eat you. Get in my belly.
Thank you so much, Fat B Word. Thank you. No, they're pumping it. I can't believe this. They're dumping it. Oh my god. I mean, how do you not become like a schizo, psychotic human looking at this stuff? Like, it's like, oh my god, I need to act on this.
Doing things.
Chris in Miami tipped $25. Can we take a look at Vara on Coinbase?
Yeah, well, Tua
The
doesn't make me
Dolphins
cry. Tua is so good. Okay. Thank you, dude, for the Belushi. Anyway, that was fun. Thank you, bird feeders. We're gonna not look at the 1 second again unless someone tips $50. Okay. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance is up 1.2% today, and that's the thing, man. Like Bitcoin be going to 100K while these altcoins just take a break, and the Bitcoin show continues. Because look, you're talking about, you know what's really going on? I mean, like on the not joke time scale. I mean, this is an 88% retrace, man. Straight up 886. That's exactly where you would react. The previous major lows here. So yeah, okay. That was too much, too bad. Bitcoin's about to come back, man. All right. But it is so spectacular how the 60% zone, the multi-year target, they spent a little time flirting up here, you know, the Bears 3 drives, whatever. But this is where alt season started, and it was like kind of a mythic thing where it was like, hey man, it's 60%. It's when alt season starts. It actually happened. It's crazy, man. Wow. Anyone? Adam, I don't know how that works, you know. Borrow on Coinbase. Coinbase. Ugh, good God, it's terrible. Haven't been here in a while. I mean, you had an M shape. The M shape played out. I mean, it performed decently well. I mean, it was nice. And then it was just a trade. And then it collapsed all-time lows. And yeah, they're starting to run it again, man. It's starting to rally. Hey, you know, highest daily candle close confirmed since July. But I'm trying to recapture the 200-day moving average. But I just don't care about things that look like this. It could very well go crazy. It could be nuts, man, but I'm just not interested, really. Where's this wick? Oh, good God, it went all the way up there, really? Pretty much hit a 1272, got to it anyway. I don't know, man. I don't look at this and get excited. I don't really care what happens to it. It could very well pump, man. It could go all the way up to 5.1 cents and go test that. And it's a face ripping day, but it's just garbage, just being real. You know, if we anchor here though, do we have a butter? Yeah, we have. Look at one thing you do have, just kind of messing around here. 70% retrace, lower high, and then you got yourself pretty much like got yourself a butterfly right there. That's one thing, I guess. You're butterflying. Okay, so you could rally here. 5, 6, 7 cents are all valid target areas if it was going to continue to run. That's all I got for you, man. Okay. Anyway, Bitcoin's about to go positive again on the daily. And 100K looms. And I am super excited about it. I just don't know when it's going to be. But one thing I can tell you is, if it's at some reasonable hour where I'm available, I will do everything in my possible power to be here for that. I just don't know when. So the big thing you want to do, if you're newer, is you need to be in our Discord, because YouTube will fail to notify you when I go live. If I'm going live again, for some reason, if you have over 10,000 subs on YouTube, like, it can't notify everyone. Their bots can't do it. So if you're in the Discord, though, and you have notifications turned on, I always manually ping everyone in the Discord that I am live, so you will not miss it. Bitcoin has officially gone positive on the day for a second right there, and that's pretty cool, man. So, yeah, Brad just posted the link to the Discord. Yeah. That'll happen in my hotel room. Well, I'm bringing my laptop. I'm bringing my entire stream setup, so if something happens and I'm in the hotel room, I can just fire it up. Yeah, this will probably do it. I mean, we'll probably in the next 24-hour period, we'll be seeing 100K with this type of price action we're receiving right now. And with Jerome Powell comparing Bitcoin to gold, Chairman of the Fed doing that, that's when this thing started ripping. Mega 8-hour engulfing candle confirmed. One of your highest 8-hour candle closes ever, and your second highest daily candle close ever. It's wonderful, man. Okay, so, you know, we got through these requests. I know it's choppy. I know it's a hard transition to make, going from $20 requests to 25, but hey, it's a sign of the times, and it's like, you can't say, like, inflation. And look, dude, $20 requests it was $15 requests during the bear market, and normal market 20, and in stupid joke mania dumb money market 25. Get it? 15, 20, 25. Depends on the market conditions. Okay. Think about it like your Uber surge, you know. Where to look at the square. Anyway, so chat, thank you for coming out. Get the Discord. Be destroyed. Bitcoin could very well be seeing 100K tonight. In the morning, within the next 24 hours, it seems very, very possible. So this is the time to be paying attention, because when 100K breaks on Bitcoin, I think you will be surprised to see how fast we see $105,000. It will be very fast. So thank you for coming out. Yeah. Gonna go eat some dinner with Ruby. We're gonna relax and just continue watching Bitcoin. So I'll be back. Thank you, everyone. Until next time, respect the TA.
I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
I have some evidence Man-Bear Pig could be in this area.
I don't know, sir.
And then, just like that...
Adios, turd nuggets.